Hello guys, welcome to another Thomas & Friends All Engines Go toy review. Yesterday, I was out in the West Somerset Railway, and while I was looking around the gift shop, I found the biggest surprise ever. That's right, the Thomas & Friends All Engines Go push-along Green Troublesome Truck. Oh, I was so happy to get this. Before we open this, I just want to tell you a little story. My first find of this troublesome truck was in Sainsbury's Romford, but when I was going out to pay for it, the scanner thought something was wrong and didn't want and called for staff for assistance. Even they don't know what was going on. Anyways, because of this error, they said they won't sell it. I was gutted by this, but decided to leave it alone. Anyways, this all changed when I went to the West Somerset Railway gift shop. There was a couple of these in stock, and I managed to successfully get one. And I thought, hallelujah! Anyways, here's the box in different angles. There's the front, the side, the back, and the other side. I like that little promo art of that troublesome truck there. Let's open it up. And here's the Green Troublesome Truck out of his box. And he looks stunning! As the box says, he is a metal vehicle, all custom painted with no stickers, and the crates are removable. And fun fact, there are actually two separate pieces. No, I'm serious. There are. The top part is twistable and can be removed. I like that. And I really love the wooden plank or floorboard detailing inside. It really brings this character to life. Here's his face, rather scared looking expression. It might not be easy for some of you to notice, but his eye colour is more of a greyish. If you look at it from a faraway distance, it looks like he hasn't got any coloured irises at all. This is somewhat inaccurate compared to the TV show render, where he's got brown eyes. Printed wheel details, like with Thomas, Percy, Connor, Nia, Diesel, Emily, but only in the case of her big wheel, and a couple of others. No painted details on the back or on the front, excluding the face. Yeah. Now let's look at it from the undercarriage area. This is copyright 2022, and it's got the Thomas & Friends logo underneath. It's kind of like with some of the flatbeds from the die-cast deliveries line. And this is the first Thomas & Friends All Engines Go toy I have that has S at the start of its serial number. Painted buffers there. I am so happy to get this. Do I recommend this model? If you're into All Engines Go, then I'd say yes. But you know what I'm even more excited for? The red Troublesome Truck to come out, even if it's going to be in motorised form. Not literally motorised, but you get what I mean. From the Talking Thomas and Cranky set. I'm really excited for that one to come out. It's got coupling hooks on the front and the back, so you can connect him to any engine. Okay guys, that does it for this review. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Thomas and Friends All Engines Go toy content. See you soon!